Hi everyone, this is Marcia. Welcome back to another project. We're going to do another necklace this week, and if you saw last week's project, you will recognize these pieces here. Actually, I took some chain off of this to add to the one we did last week. So, as I was putting it away, I thought, well, let's just go ahead and make this our next project. So that's what we're going to do. I am going to use this. I gotta straighten it out, but this will be on the bottom. And then we'll add these as side chains. So, hope everyone's having a good day. And I hope you all are ready to get crafty. With this, let's see. These two match up. So what we're going to do is be taking this off. Didn't even need two pairs for that. I'm just going to attach this right to this. I will need it to close it up. And get a better hold on it. Okay. So we've got the one side done. I gotta make sure this is laying flat before I do the other side. Let's see. Not that one. I'm gonna take one of these jump rings off. No, that's messed up. That's messed up. That's messed up. That's too big. That's messed up. These jump rings are not in the best shape. But anyway, let's continue. Let's get this to lay flat. I think it needs to go this way. Okay. That's that. And go ahead and take this off. I need to use this jump ring. Is this the same size? I believe it is. So I'm going to attach this side. Okay, so we've got the two sides on. I need to take this off. And this was also something that I pulled out because I considered using these in last week's video, but I thought they were too small. But I'm going to, since this is a black chain and these are silver tone, I'm going to take these off. I'm going to use one of these clasps for this. Both of these off. I'm going to add this. Okay, so we've got that. And we need a ring. Could use this, but I think that's kind of small. I think I'm going to take this ring off. And so far we are using everything that we have found in jewelry jars to repurpose for this project. This is not... These aren't closing well. Okay. So, there we go. wonder if it needs something else. Could dangle a couple of these pearls on here, or not. This twist's funny. I don't know. That wouldn't be symmetrical if I did that. Yeah, it's gonna fall. I'm going out of frame. Sorry about that. I knew that was gonna fall. Yeah, these are soft. I'll come back here. I can't pick it up. Yeah, these need some better jump rings, but this is, you know, to give you a visual of what it will look like. Alrighty. I don't want to lose my place here. Okay, well, adds a little more depth to it. And we could find other things to, oh, not that one. I don't like these on there. So we have these for other projects. Too bad there's not two of the same. I don't want it mismatched. But anyway, it's just a quick and easy way to show you what you can do. You can just mix it up. These always fall funny. So, I think you get the idea. You can take pieces of a necklace, use parts in one, and reconfigure what you got left over. So, if nothing else, I hope this gives you some ideas of what you can do with the pieces you have. So, until next week, until our next project, I hope you all take care. And I'll see you on that next video. Bye-bye.